Hi, I'm Reverend Daniel Ogbamitete, Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission. In terms of the outcomes that we are expecting from the implementation of, in our case, our first, capital market master plan, we have listed a number of them, and indeed, when you get a copy of the document, you can see it listed. Let me just highlight a few. So if you take market capitalization, I think I indicated earlier that currently it's less than a quarter in relation to GDP. We have set a target that by the end of the implementation period, that in 2029, we should have a market cap that's about 50% of the GDP. We think it's doable. If you take the number of listed securities, again, we have currently 37, and we are looking at having that number almost to double by the end period. If you look at liquidity, or if you look at the volume of trading, both in equities and then in the bond market or fixed income, again, we are looking at significant improvement in terms of the volume of trade. But at the end of the day, we are looking at how not just these indicators that I have mentioned, but we expect that the capital market will speak to gaps in the infrastructure that we have currently in our country. We are expecting that through the implementation of the capital market master plan, jobs will be created and the level of unemployment in the economy would be reduced, and that will be the evidence of that will be through the fact that people who come out of school are able to get jobs, or they're even able to implement some of their bright entrepreneurial ideas. So all in all, we are expecting the capital market, if you look at its indicators, to signify a change. What that would do is that it will attract a lot of foreign asset owners or capital to come into the country, because there's a lot of money, long-term money globally. If you have a well-developed, diversified, well-regulated capital market, you find that you give confidence to such global capital flows, and we will see them coming into our market. But the end game is that we should see the economy being impacted through these capital flows, because if you see all these nice indicators I'm talking about, market capitalization goes up, more listed securities, more trading, but we don't see it translated into a change in the experience of the ordinary Ghanaian through more jobs, through our ability to participate in trading opportunities and dealing with unemployment, solving infrastructure deficits, whether it's to do with the health system, transportation system, and all of that. If we don't see that impact, then it might just look like we're talking about just numbers or statistics. So at the end of the day, we're expecting not just the indicators, the stock market or capital market indicator, to show these strong positive trends, but we want to see a transformation in the economy, and that will be a testimony to the fact that the capital market has done in Ghana what it has done in other economies.